What's up? It's Nate Cool Outdoors. I just bought a kayak, so I'm gonna kind of show you around. I name it Shock. You'll see in a minute, but see you guys later.
Yeah. Ready? Hey. Let's go. Bet.
That's my boat. Now you can clearly see why I call it Shock. It said it was a custom boat. They just slapped a whole bunch of stickers on here, but still, I'm going to use it for fishing and maybe going down a river. So, I'm going to show you a couple more clips of my kayak, and I will see you later. Alright, we're heading down to a pond to see if our kayaks float. See you down there. We got a problem. Pond's still frozen. Guess not today. See you guys later. Hey guys, before we end this video, I'm going to show you some trail camera footage. Let me go get the SIM card, head over to the library, and I'll see you guys later. The end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please drop a thumbs up, and if you like this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.